What's up, guys? Today we got more Topps Chrome 2024 qualifying lap pack. A bunch of these guys are on sale before the new cards come out, so let's check it out. Do a couple of these for Japanese Grand Prix weekend. We're excited. L1. Lewis Hamilton insert, nice. And we got a Lance Stroll Ray Wave. Nice. Max Verstappen Award winner, nice. Max Verstappen again, Grand Prix driver of the day, Miami, nice. Sergio. Gasly. F2 driver. Another F2 driver. Shields. F3. F3. Lando, Grand Prix driver of the day. Oscar Piastri, Grand Prix driver of the day. Japanese Grand Prix, which is coming up this weekend. Inserts. Alexander Albon. Recharged. Nice. Charles Leclerc, awesome. F2, F2 driver. Speed Demons, Zhou Guanyu. All right. F2 driver. F3 driver. Lewis Hamilton, nice. Beautiful card. Charles Leclerc Helmet Series. These cards are so cool. Nice. And our Black Ray Wave. Nice. All right, we'll take those. F3. Sprint winner Sergio Perez. Nice. Smith F3. Nice pole position Carlos Sainz. Good card. We'll take it. F3. Sergio Perez, Grand Prix driver of the day. Valtteri Bottas, nice. And F3 driver, Future Star. All right. Montoya, Future Star. Max Verstappen, Sprint winner, nice. The cards are kind of stuck together, bear with me. Got an award winner, F2 driver. Got something good here. Camber, Lewis Hamilton, nice insert. We like that one. Very cool. And behind it are Ray Wave, F2, nice. Very cool. Lance Stroll. Award winner Red Bull Racing. Nice. Fernando Alonso, nice. Max Verstappen checkered. Very nice. We'll take that. Cool. F2 driver. Michael Schumacher Legends, nice. Fittipaldi F2. Nice, Danny Ricciardo, Helmet Series, very cool. Nico Hulkenberg, F3 driver. Another F3 driver, what do we got here? Enzo Fittipaldi, insert, F2, cool. And our Black Ray Wave, George Russell, nice. Sullivan F2, Shields F3, Future Star. Got some pink back here that's numbered, 78 of 225. Logan Sargent, award winner, nice, numbered card. We'll take it. F2, 3, Sergio, Grand Prix driver of the day. Azerbaijan Grand Prix. Speed Demons Carlos Sainz, nice. Insert. Ooh, Lewis Hamilton pole position. This is a good card here. Cool insert. Charles Leclerc, another good one. And Future Star, nice. Oscar Piastri, nice. F2 driver. Yuki Tsunoda, riding for Red Bull, Japanese Grand Prix. Nice, Max Verstappen F1 Sprint winner, Prism card. Nice, very good. All right, that's it guys. F1 Topps Chrome qualifying lap box, got some good ones in there. We got some cool black Ray Wave refractors in there. Very nice, and a numbered card. See you on the next one.